Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. I'm going to be teaching you guys the quadratic formula and the general quadratic equation and how to plug in the numbers into the quadratic formula to solve your two roots. I'm going to be going step by step and teaching you guys how to find the two roots. And I'm going to also, on the way there, I'm going to be teaching you guys tips and tricks on easier ways on getting your answer. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with this example. As you can see, the squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This equation does not equal this. So what we will have to do is we will have to subtract 3 from both sides to change it all into x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So it could still have the x squared plus bx plus c line up. So you will have to know the quadratic formula to figure out the solutions and the roots to this problem. So the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared plus 4ac. And see that x squared is our a, which a equals 1 since there is only one there's only one x, and 2x, which means that b equals 2, and c will equal negative 3. Now all that we will have to do is we will have to plug in our a, b, and c into the equation and solve it. Since our a equals 1, b equals 2, and c equals negative 3, I'm just going to plug these numbers into our equation right now. Instead of having negative b plus or minus, I am going to change it to negative 2 plus or minus. Instead of b squared, I put 2 squared. Instead of having plus 4ac, I put plus 4 times 1 times negative 3. Instead of having 2a, I put 2 times 1. Next, all that we will have to do is solve the formula. So first of all, 2 times 1 just equals 2. Up here, 2 to the square root of 2 just equals 4, so we are going to change that to 4. And 4 times 1 is 4, and times negative 3, which equals negative 12. I meant to say minus 4ac instead of plus, so if you guys need to change your formula quickly, this is what you will have to do. So since it equals negative 12 and there's a negative in front too, that means we will have to change our sign to a positive 12, so it will be plus 12. Next we're going to solve 4 plus 12, which equals 16. So we're going to change that to 16. And now we are going to find out the square root of 16, which equals 4. And the last thing we are going to do is divide. So negative 2 divided by 2 equals negative 1. We keep the plus or minus. And 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Now all that is left to do is to find negative 1 plus 2 and negative 1 minus 2 to find our two roots. So negative 1 plus 2 equals 1, and negative 1 minus 2 equals negative 3. So these are our two roots. So these are our two roots, which are our solutions to the problem. Thank you guys so much for watching how to solve quadratic equations by the quadratic formula. So yeah. One last tip I have to say, if you see that there's a negative number inside the square root, that means there are no possible answers, so there will be no real answers for x. Thank you for watching. Bye.